It does that with mine, but you know what?
Whoa, it does! It does that with mine! People are just, and then I reported him for harassing and just disturbance. I just cut these jeans. I've had these babies for years, got them in the thrift store. I had already cut them up a little bit, and now I just said, screw it. Cut it off for shorts, because you know what? The amount of trouble that I went in today for finding an outfit that fits me, you have absolutely no idea. I am a pig, and if I say it, like, I can't keep complaining about this because I literally, like, stop complaining, fix it, right? So frustrating. So I woke up in such a good mood, such positive energy, and like I just felt blessed today, right? Anyway, long story short, I still haven't done I did my devotions, I just didn't pray it. And all right, these glasses, I'm over them. Anyway, the whole getting ready, trying to find out what I was gonna wear threw me off because it literally took like an hour and a half. I'm serious, an hour and a half. I have biker shorts from Reebok. Well, they're from TJ Maxx, but they're by Reebok. Great, finally found a pair that fit me. And I like that look with like an oversized like graphic t-shirt, you know, like, or in sneakers, or a little crop tank top with a jacket over it. So it's just like a little bit of your belly showing and it's like sporty looking. Yeah, no, couldn't do that. Tried everything. Put on a big denim, like just like shirt, opened it up, tied it, wrapped something around me, tied it, put on a tank top, tied something around my waist, can't wear a long sleeve, tried this, looked like a big, just everyday cow. So finally I was like, you know what, screw it, you're cutting those shorts into Bermuda shorts. Get your life together. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today we're gonna be positive. I want to wear, all right, I'm wearing these. Wear red and pink. That's what it is. Because I'm not wearing glasses. I don't know. Go with the blue. Blue, red, and black. Sure. Oh, it's actually really nice out. Oh, that's so cute. That's great. It's just crazy how quickly, like, you could be in a good mood and then all of a sudden, like, it changes. And I have to, like, be aware of that myself, like, controlling myself, because I can just get caught up in my feelings.
Hello, it's Matthew.
Hi, is Rosa there today?
Yeah.
Does she have time for a mini manicure and pedicure right now?
What time you want?
As soon as possible, whenever you can.
Then you wanna come in now?
Yeah, I'll leave right now. Alright, I got my mani pedi, and I got this peach color, which I really like. It's by OPI. And what's the name of it? Hopelessly Devoted, I think. It was relaxing. I'm glad I went. It was too busy though. She didn't give me a back massage, and that's my favorite part. But whatever. Alright. We off to church like good little girls. I actually don't know how to get there, but I'm stopped at Starbucks. Size earrings. Joanne's earrings. What is this called?
Vanilla bean.
Vanilla bean, coconut, ice latte. Ew. I just moved.
we gonna get it together? When are we going to get it together?
Next summer, yeah, we got next summer.
Next
New Year's Eve.
Next summer we'll be in crop tops and shorts. This summer we'll be sweats.
Long John.
That noise. This is not good. Anything else?
Severe back pain.
Not good.
I'm so sick of this song turning on every time I plug it in.
It does that with mine, but you know what?
Whoa, it does! It does that with mine!
Do you know what mine is?
Oh my god!
Next up, the Grooves, Latisha. Next up, the band Latisha, La FIFA, Beyonce. The Beyonce song.
Next up, Latisha, La Ho.
That
that's good.
is mine, and
mine used to be Abyss by, oh my god, what was his name?
Why did I scream in your face?
I don't know, but that was pretty good. I can't wait to see that. Hey guys. So, today we are changing the game. It's Sunday, and most Sundays I like to reboot, but this particular Sunday, oh, I want to change. I want to change. I want to feel so confident in my body that, like, I'm so sick of feeling gross. Like, I feel like good today. Like, I feel like this outfit's nice. Like, my makeup and hair is good and stuff. Like, I don't feel ugly today, but like, I know how much potential I have to get my body in shape. And it's not even just like physical. It's like just internal. And I've been doing so much research and just like getting so inspired by YouTubers. Too much going on. So I want to go out and get a couple things that's just gonna help like me internally. And then I really just want to eat better. I just really want to eat better. Like I'm not even gonna talk about it. We're just gonna make things happen, okay? So I don't want to keep talking about it and then like get upset if it doesn't happen. But my mindset is like all about it right now. This is a lot going on. But you know what? I'm feeling a little extra today, and I don't care. Anyway, I'm heading up to Whole Foods to go get a couple of things that are just gonna, I'll talk about it in the next couple of videos probably, what I'm gonna do and see how it works. So I am actually gonna go exchange this candle. I've had it forever. Sea Salt and Linen. I like this candle, but I feel like the other ones that I have are nicer. And I feel like there's just better options. I didn't really love it, It just sucks that I love food so much. I really do. I could sit with a freaking pint of ice cream and eat it all. Or I could eat a whole pizza. I just am a pig. No, they're not. I got lip liners, my mauve, exchanged it for the one that was empty. So I got two of those. I got natural, which I haven't had in a while. And then I got pale pink, which I know I'm probably not gonna like, but I just wanted to try it out with gloss, like a pale pink on my lips. I don't know. And I got this conditioner, which I haven't had in forever. It's the best. They gave me a free setting spray, Dewy Finish by NYX. So this morning, I got messaged from YouTube on my video about racism and abortion. And basically, I mean, I had a couple comments like this, but the guy was just saying like how I'm evil and how I'm not a Christian because I married a black man, and you're supposed to stick to your race, and you're supposed to be with a white. We need to stick with our kind, and you will be branded a traitor with your half-caste and dealt with in the same manner. How stupid these women are. Your baby will be nothing but a hybrid. You're disgusting. Just like craziness. Like, oh my, I honestly was just like, what did I say to whoever, his name was something White. I'm like, I'm gonna pray for you, have a wonderful day. And then he got so mad he wrote a whole other long paragraph. He's like, oh no, I will pray for you, blah blah blah. And I'm like, thank you so much for the prayers, ciao. People are just, and then I reported him for harassing and just disturbance and blocked him. Creep. Like, all right, I don't know what to say. What I did want to say was, what do you guys do? This person's staring at me. What do you guys do when you're feeling not so hot?
Look at her. She's a bad man. Just as fine as she can be. Hey, she's real. She's got all the girls a man like. She's classy, classy. Oh, sexy, sassy. She's heavenly. A treat for the eye to see.
If you ever want to be in a good mood and feel good about yourself, just put this song on. So I just made my smoothie with lots of good things in it. Lots of good. So hopefully in the near future, I can show you what I put in my smoothies. And now hopefully if I start this bulletproof coffee thing, share my experience with you guys.
Girl, I'm tryna fuck right now, no time for stalling. I just gotta walk in closet to put them all in. My whip so close to the floor, you gotta fall in. I'm tryna get 100 mil for tryna maintain. Pull me up another 6, I'm killing.
Pig.
Oh,
You can see. For inspiration. Come on. On 3 coasts, Olivia, bigger than ego. Those small niggas, all I see is the penny. That's all they
I love Huntington. This looks like San Francisco over here.
It does.
Oh, it's so pretty.
good.
What the heck? Allergies?
I don't know.
Proceed to the route.
So pretty. Hunty?
Just babe.
Wow, I feel like it got warmer. Jeez.
It's Louis.
All right.
Louis a big boy.
Yeah, man.
Food's delicious here.
I have been wanting to go here since, well, what month did we come here? Artichoke.
No, this book.
Yeah, I know, artichoke.
It's not called artichoke.
Okay, well, it's right next to artichoke. So, look at that building behind there, isn't it? It's a gallery. See the menu. Hi. What is this called? Rock and Fish. So the little lights go on at night. It's so cute.
Seem to have a lot of drink specials.
You hear that?
They seem to have a lot of drink specials.
Honey, where is your drinks? You have the drink menu?
Cheers.
Babe, I want that rose bush over there. Because I don't know if I'm going to get anything. Oh, they're coming out. Clarity Boy. I was vlogging all day, so you'll see the footage, but this is like the end of the day, and I was just like, I already have freaking 2 vlogs up back to back, so this is gonna be a 3rd vlog. I really wanted to put up something else for you guys, but I guess this week I just wasn't that motivated. That's why I was thinking about making a video on, I don't know what I want to call it, but like how to snap back from feeling insecure or ugly. What?
I won't leave you. I can cook Southern soul food chicken wings. I'll give you all the roses in the world. I'll never leave you roseless.
Ah, Colton Underwood.
I would never leave you roseless.
Oh, that's really clever. Yeah, say that. Just DM'd.
Oh my god.
Colton.
Oh my god.
What?
Did I copy a Bitmoji?
What does that mean?
Oh, I thought you sent him one.
Hope you're working out.
Wait.
Lexus sent. So see you tomorrow at dinner. 8. Great.
Really?
And then I went to her